Well, if you are looking for something to do this summer with the kids during the dog days of summer and they're getting a little bored, well, we have just the person for you. YouTube sensation, master crafter, and a great friend of the show, Sophie Maletsky, is here with us. Hey, Sophie! Good to see you.
I'm so glad to be together
I know,
today.
I'm so glad to see you. You always bring such great ideas to the show. So,
Thanks.
What are some ideas for kids and for adults this summer that they can start doing?
Well, so here's the thing. So, you know, you're swimming, you're having fun, you got pool noodles, right?
Yes.
Let's make something fun with a pool noodle.
Let's. I
We're
why
gonna
they were here.
So look at this. This is a pool noodle pony. Isn't that cute?
Oh my gosh,
so you can
cute.
ride it, and you can even, if you want to, you can make them into, come back here.
Uh-oh.
Unicorn.
A unicorn. A unicorn. Finally, a real-life unicorn. Oh, I love it.
Well, unicorns are huge. Unicorns are big right now.
Aren't they?
You know, everything.
Well, we're very hip and trendy here in Sacramento.
Absolutely.
So, yes.
So it's really simple to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to fold it over. And Tracy, I'm going to have you take this rubber band. And this is just going to hold it in place while we figure out our bridle. Okay, good job.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so that's just going to hold it in place for now. Now, what color bridle would you like? We have these pretty colors here.
We'll go with purple.
Okay, so we want to cut about a yard and a half. I usually say if you measure from your arm out to your chest.
Okay, perfect.
And we're just going to take this and cut it. And then I'm going to have you
I love these.
just tie that in a little knot right at the back. And you can tie a nice half decent size knot. There you go. That's it.
Double knot there?
Yep, you got it.
We'll
So nice and
solid.
Good. And then we can get rid of
Rub it off.
You don't need that in there.
Boom.
So this is our bridle.
Oh, how cute.
And these are our reins. And so we're just going to tie off the reins right there. Like
I love this idea.
So this is good for kids with their dexterity, you know, and teaching them how to tie knots and things like that. So now he needs some ears, don't you think?
I think so.
So I've pre-cut you some ears out of felt here. Which color do you like?
Oh, let's get one. We'll do green. This is going to be a multicolor thing here.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And what about the inside of the ear? Because you can't have an outside without an inside, right?
Yeah, we'll do pink. Why not?
You got it.
Right. Okay.
Let's
She's so cute. I can
shy
like
away.
all these.
Shy away from the Christmas red and green.
I was thinking of the same thing too. We'll wait for that. We'll wait a little bit on that.
So we're going to go down a little bit here with our hot glue and just put a little bead on either side there.
Perfect.
And then we just glue that right in the center. Now, here's the fun thing. We just pinch it in the center.
Oh!
Like that, like a little bow.
Yeah.
And slide it in.
Oh,
so I'm going to have you pull that up.
Oh, my goodness.
Great.
Boom.
So there's your ears.
Okay.
And now we'll just glue them in place with a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that they stay.
Oh, my gosh. How do you think of your ideas? This
Well,
is
you know,
so good.
they come from the kids. The kids are like, hey, I've got this. What are we going to do with it, you know? So I'm going to add a couple little eyes here.
Okay.
And now I'm adding the eyes. Boop. One eye there.
You have to make the noise, too.
Oh, yeah. Got to have an eye. And you got to give some nostrils so he can breathe, because otherwise you're going to have a suffocated pony.
We don't want that.
You get to choose.
Can I do these two?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the pink.
So we'll take the light piece. You take one. I'll take the other.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whichever way you want to go.
We'll go like that.
You got it. One there. One there.
Cute. And this is good for boys, girls, everybody.
And you know what's great is you can decorate this whole thing here with duct tape. You can do stickers, whatever.
You're the master of duct tape.
Oh, yeah.
This woman, go to her website. She has so many great ideas
I
for
think
duct
I have
tape.
over like 300 ideas on duct tape right now.
Goodness.
It's crazy. I know. And YouTubes and all kinds of stuff. So we just have hair. Which would you like?
We'll go with blue.
Blue.
This is going to be the most colorful pony you've ever seen.
I love it.
Oh.
So just a little bit of glue, and we are done, and you will be ready to ride off into
the sunset with
the
my
Sac
pony.
and Coast sunset.
With my pony.
There she is.
So cute. And real quick, a couple other little crafts here you have.
Yeah, so over here we took some corks. Now we live in wine country, right? So we got some corks and we turned them into a little tableau for the beach scene, you know? And of course you got to have your superheroes, because the superheroes just keep coming out in the movies, one after the other.
I love the Wonder Woman. I'm already calling the Wonder Woman.
They're just toilet paper tubes. And then these are some fun sunglasses.
Cute. And so for folks, if they want to learn how to do all these things, where can they go for more information, my friend?
Just go to www.sophie-world.com.
Oh, there are so many great ideas on there. Thank you so much,
my
friend.
Trace.
Good
Always
to see
fun to see you.
Okay, you guys have a great day out there. We will see you tomorrow on Sac and Co.
You really gonna ride him out?